Hello, mic check, mic check, mic check. Let me hear it. That am I audible or not? Let me. Okay, fine. Okay. Hmm. So after a while, because I was busy for my exams. Now, as my exams are over, so I will be traveling to my hometown, and I will be recording all videos and all sorts of things by my home. So this is my life last stream for a month or so, and the thing is that now today we will be discussing some of the topics, or I would say some what can I say? Mm, uh, some video titles that I will be sharing, I would say. Okay, so let me open my notepad. Okay. Code. Mm, hmm, hmm, no, no, no. Ah. Okay. If I just think, what? Oh, 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 oh. Hmm. Now this is my notepad, and hope it is visible. Okay, fine. So the first thing that I want to do is let the main focus was data science project, and the first thing that I would be doing is prediction model, as I would say the main purpose of this whole thing is to build a resume. So build a resume, and this resume will be built when you know something what can I say, uh good, or I would be effective. So I will be building a prediction model, mm, based on some real world problem, I would say. Okay, and then I am thinking of making uh I will be solving some lead code question, I would say. So some lead code questions, and this lead code question would be in a live stream format. So if I can, then I will be live streaming from there itself, and I will be covering all those things. Okay, now the other thing, hope it is visible, let me check. It is not. I think now it is should be visible more clearly. Okay, the other thing that I am thinking to make is I have something, but I'm thinking to make some models like the prediction model that is itself a worthy thing. But I'm thinking to make another thing that is statistical model, I would say. Statistical model. Let me check my keep because I have further things in my keep as well. And keep I don't have my phone. Either is it in my docs or something else. I have in my docs. Okay. Prediction model, EDA, exploratory data analysis, that can be done over the statistical model. So EDA model, and the other thing that is economic indicators. Economic indicators. But the fact is, economic indicators shows the growth and all living standard, all those sort of things. And I don't think so the projects like the field that I am being going would be having those things, but uh, it would be my low priority thing. Like if I can make it, I can, but if I don't want to, then I won't do those things. Now some deep learning thing, because why not, there are multiple people they are working on it, so deep learning project. Okay, and some domain field, so domain related thing. And still I haven't decided any of my domain, I would say, because before that I will be going for my astronomy things. But as you all know that I have uploaded a video saying that I am shifting from my astronomy field to data science, so I have to do something over that. So for that I am thinking of why not for domain related, so I am undecided. Okay, now over all of those things I will be going for my resume builder, which is not yet started. So the first thing is to get a prediction model. So the aim for this stream is that this is my last stream for I think half a month or so. First thing. The second thing is that let's have my folders that I was working on something, and my previous project that was corrupted as my SSD got corrupt, but I recover it, but on the cost of my data. So all those data are completely wiped. Now, what I have is that I don't have much things to offer or to get. The only thing that I'm ready to provide is let's make another project, and for that let's warmed up. And basically this stream I don't know when it would end, and basically this whole stream is basically just showcasing what I do. So let's warm up my hands. Let's do some monkey typing to warm up my hands and all. Hmm. Okay. So code say it's not good. Even worse. Okay, I started good, but couldn't complete. Hmm. Okay, I have some games as well, so why don't we do some sort of thing here as well? Okay, to try it once. There is no harm in it. Okay, so it is taking time. Why is it taking so time? Okay, so till then, let's go to Kaggle and let's see or download some data sets. And the prediction model that I'm currently thinking as let's do some more things. Okay, so the prediction model that I'm thinking is based should be on a real life model, and those models should be working over particular things. Let's say right now the real world problem is the AI bubble. Okay, and due to that, what is happening is the price of basically the price of the RAM, SSD. Even I am getting frustrated about it. Basically, are getting double, I would say, and all because of those things. There are multiple things that I can't like. Of course, I know that for training the AI, we know we want more data and all sorts of things, but this AI bubble will burst and will create a very big mess. But the thing is, I can predict something, no? So the AI bubble, uh, I don't know that I should do over the AI bubble that okay, one day it would be burst, but no one knows when. So after calibrating some of the factors, I can do, but I don't think so. I would say that the price of RAM SSDs are getting double. So when it would be touching double? No, 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 no. I don't say that. It's one of the thing that I can do. Then now the other thing that can be done, which is very very basic, and many people do this, and house price prediction. Prediction. The other thing uh, that I want to do is house prediction, house price prediction. There's one more good thing that can be said, that age factor, because like we can predict, or I can say that prediction model can be of multiple types. If I say prediction, just prediction, I have if I go over some models, okay, there are multiples. If I say this, okay, mono variation TensorFlow, okay, trainer, sales prediction, customer churn, how heart attack prediction in USA, play badminton prediction, text emotion prediction, universal sentence encoder, and multiple things, which can be said that this prediction is I would say, let me, okay, like which prediction I would say that this prediction is can be a very good thing, like it can be a very effective, I would say, a real world problem over a real world problem. Ah, mm, confused bit. Let's ask the AI itself. Can you provide? Uh, I am thinking of making a prediction model for my data scientist resume, and I want to make this model effective, as I am thinking of making this project over a real world problem. Suggest me some ideas. Okay, okay. So I have customer churn prediction, whether the customer will stop using a service. Hmm. Data set, this. Predict whether customer will stop using a service. Let's say I am using Adobe for my uh, video editing thing, and if you will see that over my Avarn channel, over my this channel, I'm not active. Like the last video I am thinking that I uploaded was, I think, 2 months ago, and I don't think so that it is very and I haven't even uh what can I say, stopped editing sort of thing. So I'm thinking that nah, it's not worth it. The main idea, basically, I can't explain, was I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro as a subscription for my video editing, and the main goal was to upload more videos, but I am not uploading any videos since 2 months or 3 months, and I haven't used both things for past 3 to 4 months, 3 months, I would say. So, but I haven't cancelled my subscription because I knew I that I want that thing. So I'm currently thinking to make more established. So, but I will be using now more because my exams are over. I'm more free to explore. So the customer churn prediction, uh, I don't think so. Now physics astronomy flavor. This align more with the physics MSc present make a portfolio. Standout was generic Titanic project. Pulsar star prediction. Classify whether a detected signal is from pulsar or not highly imbalanced. This can be a thing because the line that this said, because we have Titanic project, because how many have died, how many of those, this and that. This align more with MSc profile. Firstly thing, make a portfolio stand out versus generic Titanic project. That is a very good thing. So, photometric redshift regression. Given multi-band photometer predict galaxy. This has been done one of my colleague, and it was very simple. I can do this, and I can even publish a research paper or make good work on my resume. Pulsar star classify weather detection. Both things are very good. Exoplanet. I am working on it, but it's the light curve detection, planetary transit, and basically I have a interstellar cloud. I have a cloud. I got some light curve, and over though that curve, I have something known as detection of exoplanet, or it can be an exomoon as well. But exomoon is very rare. But hope for the best, and if I get it, then I can name that planet over my name. It's a very big thing, but it requires a lot of things. So these three things, these three things should be on my list. So let's, okay, so over here let's do astronomy project, and the first thing is pulsar star prediction. The second thing is pulsar. It is pulsar photometry. Photometry. Sorry, metric red shift regression. And the third is exoplanet or transit detection. looks looks advanced but doable prediction. Customer lifetime. That was I was thinking. That e-commerce transactional data sets task predict total revenue over from a user over next n months. That's a very good thing. Customer, because even I am curious about it. So customer lifetime value, which is named as CLV. Wait a second. Hello, hello. So my bad. I was bit. I had a call. Okay. Now, okay. So let's start what I was doing. Huh. So stock crypto movement. If I do a stock crypto movement prediction, then I would be having some sort of issue because I have to learn about crypto. I have to study the stock market, all the nah. Fraud anomaly detection, classic credit card fraud. I'm good. How to turn idea into whatever idea you pick. Emphasize the end-to-end pipeline, clear problem statement, define your target, why it matters. Okay, fine. Pulses are classified department. Small web app, it's a big thing. Okay, I won't say that I should do some sort of things that hmm now. Now let's do something else. So if I open my notepad, I have a prediction model. LP. The aim for the stream still not decided, but to make the stepping stone for any of the project. Okay. Let's open my lead code and try to, if not solve any simple one question, at least a question. Okay. Then we'll be try to download some data and make what can I say, uh, prototype for my prediction model. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Wait a second. If when hmm. Oh, this is a much better screen. Okay. Now let's try to solve some problem and let's make some over here as well. But first, let's play a game. Design the next iPhone. Hmm. See, I am a big fan of a dual camera because I don't like. Oh, okay. And I like this kind of thing more deeper than that. And the classic Apple logo is okay, fine, done. Now I want steering wheel copper cut blade. Nah, man, that's so out of place. Nah, nah, nah. Steering wheel, bro. What? Nah, I'm good. Pro Max camera lens. That's a very good thing. But let's make a phone minimalistic. Cup holder? What? Bro. So rotated and pro wheel. Oh my god. I want this iPhone 2 Roto bro. Cool enough. D-pad joystick pro handle. Nah, it's good. Okay. So what I want. Hmm. What I like is to be googly eyes. No, 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 it's good. I want a headphone jack, and I want this headphone jack to be over here. Okay. Now, single camera, front camera, nah. Android feature, nah. Pro notch. Hmm. So I am a big fan of this style lens set because all of my phone had that. Okay. Other thing is this notch. Well, I am not a big fan of this. I am this kind of person, and I don't want any Type C thing. I prefer Lightning port because it makes you stand out. Now at no, not here. Okay, done. Here I have a power button, and here I have a volume button. Okay, and let's do one thing. But nah, volume button is fine. Android logo, that's so cool. Front camera, dual camera, googly eyes, antenna, click wheel, single camera. That's good. Okay. Life size of a life. And press the right arrow forward. I'm good. Okay. So let's try to solve a question. Okay. As you can see, I don't have any sort of thing. And let's go to math. I'm very good at math. Okay, let's practice. Add two numbers. Mhm. You're giving a two non-empty linked list representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in a reverse order. I have two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. Okay, let me search one thing. Is a fundamental linear layer where the elements aren't stored continuously but linked as we know data. The data is here. Pointers. Okay. Okay. So I have 243, 564, and 708. L1, that is this thing, is 243. L2 is 564. The output is 702. Cool enough. 437. Okay. 342 plus 46. Oh, okay, okay, fine. Hmm. Let's do this in Python. Hmm. Okay, I got it. Now can I get my, you're giving me two number to know. So let's go for L1, and L1 contains something similar to this. So let's go for 669. So 6 comma 6 comma or 6 comma 6 comma 9. And now the other thing should be L2, which had similar kind of thing, 9 comma 9 comma 6. Okay, now for I in range, comma L1, I'm confused on myself. It. Hmm. 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 Yeah. write in Python. Because I'm a bit confused. The first question for my warm up is a medium question, and I got what I want to say because I have two lists L1 L2, and I want to add those things. Okay, and I have to add those things, and then the value would be given a thing. So I can even like say that add L1 plus L2 and then print add, and then if I run can only return tuples, not less to tuples. Yeah, so basically it can't. This one, this two. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Eh? Eh? Define two numbers. Self L1 that is list node, L2 okay. Dummy list node. Dummy. What is wrong with let's remove this thing. Then my for I in range comma L1. Now I should copy because the AI would think, oh, it's so dumb. What I was thinking. Ah. What is wrong with this code? And now I will get the answer. Dun, dun. Ah. Indentation. The code you pasted is non ask. Okay. Uh, uh, okay. I got it. Done equals to empty and not empty. Basically, I'm saying it's list node. Okay, so I'm carrying a list node, and then I would create a recurrence that is a dummy, and then carry the 0. Now, while L1 or L2 or carry x, L1 equals to L1 dot valve. Well, if L1 else 0, y equals to L2 dot well if L2 else 0. Now S equals to x plus y plus carry, x plus y plus carry, then carry equals to S divided by 10. Then the curry dot next, whatever I'm writing, equals to least node. S percent and 10. The curve equals to per dot next if L1 equals to L1 dot next if L2 equals to L2 dot next return dummy dot next. I don't know what I've written that, but let's see. Kar. Okay. Hello. Hello. It's a big thing. It's a big thing. How I solve this equation? Don't ask me. Because even I don't know how I solve this. And this thing I should be learning this whole vacation. So over my period over like I would say 1.5 months or something, the main thing that I will be doing is coding. Now, if I show you my notepad, is it? Yeah. A prediction model based on real world AI bubble. So it is based on this thing, like the first thing. So let's set the priority. Okay. So the first thing is the astronomy project that I will be doing because it will take less amount of time for me to make those things A, B, and C, and then I would go for prediction model. Okay. Now I'm thinking of some videos that I will be doing. The video I will be coming up will be similar to this, that I will be doing some coding stuff that I would be learning even. Okay. And basically this aim for this thing is I will be doing some of these things and I will learn some code, then I will try to solve some code, and then here I am. Okay, so till then, enjoy and bye bye.